guys, so in today's video, we're going to be making a recipe that kids love to make and eat as well. We're making a hazelnut praline. So the ingredients are very simple. We're going to need 200 grams of hazelnuts and 100 grams of sugar. Now whatever you do, you can change these amounts, but make sure that the amount of sugar you add is the half amount of the hazelnuts you add. So I've made this previously, and what I've done is take 100 grams of sugar and put 1/4 of the sugar in a frying pan. And I kept going with 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. And what I've done is take a baking pan, not a frying pan like we did in the sugar, a baking pan, and put our hazelnuts in and put it in the oven for 5 minutes. While doing that, we're gonna mix the sugar a bit until it's warm syrup. And after, we're gonna take the hazelnuts that are hot, put it in, incorporate them, let them cool for about like 10 to 20 minutes. And after, this is what we'll find. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our hazelnuts and put in a blender. And if your blender isn't strong enough, we have 1 to 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil. And if your blender is not strong enough, you can add some just to help it. Make them nice paste. Add this and this. And okay, so I'm gonna put my sunflower oil just to help it up a bit because my blender is not so strong. Put it in here, and I'm gonna mix that. So now you're gonna blend it for about 2 minutes, and you're gonna see. So. And if it's not blending so well, then you can just shake it. So it's been 4 minutes, and it's pretty much very creamy and really nice. It's really good. See how creamy it is? Now, it's good. It's really delicious by itself as well. But just because I wanted to make it like chocolatey, because I really like chocolate, I'm gonna put some chocolate. Now, from all of the movement, this is becoming hot. It's becoming hot. So it will be easy for the chocolate to go in and melt. So I'm just gonna add in my chocolate, and this chocolate is 100 grams. And I'm using milk chocolate, but if you want dark chocolate, be free to do that. And just almost done. Ooh, smells great. So I got a nice bowl here, and I'm gonna scoop this right in there. Creamy. Looks really good. So. Voila! So this is the recipe of how to make your own homemade praline. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye!